Good morning, my young friends. Today, I want to talk to you, not like a teacher, not like a motivator, but like a friend who understands your struggle. Everyone wants success. Everyone wants a better life. Everyone wants confidence, respect, and growth. But let me ask you one honest question. If everyone wants success, then why do most people stay stuck in the same place? It is not because success is impossible. It is because most people believe one wrong thing. They believe that big success needs big actions. They believe change must happen fast. They believe results should come quickly. And when results don't come fast, they quit. They wait for the perfect time. They wait for the perfect plan. They wait for the perfect opportunity. And while they wait, days pass, months pass, years pass, and slowly their dreams become silent. But what if success is not about giant jumps? What if success is about small steps? What if just 1% improvement every day could change your entire life? Let me tell you a story. This is the story of a boy named Danish. And honestly, this story is not only about Danish. This story is about many of us. Danish was an ordinary student. Not bad, not great, just average in studies, average in sports, average in confidence. Every time he looked at others, he felt smaller. His friends spoke better English. They answered questions confidently. They walked like they believed in themselves. Danish tried to change many times. He promised himself big things. I will study 3 hours daily. I will wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I will become confident in 1 month. But after a few days, everything collapsed. He studied seriously for 1 week, then stopped. He joined the gym, quit after a few days. He tried waking up early, failed again. Every failure whispered one sentence in his mind. Maybe I am not made for success. Slowly, very slowly, Danish started accepting an average life.
One evening, Danish went to his grandfather's house. His grandfather was in the courtyard quietly watering a small plant. Danish watched him for some time and then asked, "Grandfather, why do you water this plant every day? It is so small, you don't even see change." His grandfather smiled and said, "Come closer." He pointed at the plant and said, "Every drop of water looks small, but without these small drops, this plant would die." He continued, "Growth does not shout. Growth happens silently." Then he looked at Danish and said, "Life works the same way. You don't need to change everything in one day. You only need to become a little better every day." Those words stayed in Danish's mind. That night, he decided to try something different. Not big goals, not perfect plans, just small actions. Instead of studying for hours, he started with just 10 minutes a day. Instead of hard workouts, he did 3 simple exercises at home. Instead of trying to speak perfect English, he spoke 1 small sentence daily. At first, nothing changed. No one noticed. Even Danish felt disappointed. But he remembered his grandfather's words, "Growth is silent." After 30 days, something strange happened. His 10 minutes slowly became 1 hour. His weak body started feeling stronger. He stopped fearing English sentences. After a few months, people noticed. Teachers noticed. Friends noticed. Danish spoke with more confidence. He answered questions without fear. He stood straight. He believed in himself. One day, Danish stood on a stage for a debate. His hands were shaking, but his voice was clear. When he won, even his teachers were surprised. They asked him, "How did you change so much?" Danish smiled and said, "I didn't change in one day. I just improved a little every day." This is the real secret of success. Success is not about intensity. Success is about consistency. Small actions done daily create unstoppable power. If you read just a few pages daily, you become a reader. If you speak a little English daily, you become confident. If you improve just 1% every day, in 1 year, your life looks completely different. So, if you feel stuck, if you feel average, remember this. You don't need to change your life today. You only need to take one small step today. Because greatness is not built in 1 day. Greatness is built daily. One drop, one step, 1%, and one day you will look back and realize those small steps changed everything. Before you go, let me ask you something. What is one small step you will take today to become better than yesterday? Write it in the comments. Not for me, for yourself. If this story gave you clarity, if it made you think, then like this video. It helps this message reach someone who needs it today. And if you want more videos like this, simple English, real-life stories, and lessons that actually change thinking, then subscribe to Speak Like Pro. Remember, don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for perfect time. Just take one small step today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing.